Hello, what's up guys? It's great to see you back from another video today, so let's get started. So in today's video, we're going to mostly talk about the severe thunderstorm and tornado risk categories actually. These are based on the risk level on how much the intensity storm is, when is it a chance for it to occur, and how much is the percentage chance is what these storms indicate for these outlooks. So let's get started. Whenever you are in the potential for severe weather, it's always everyday best to look at a severe weather outlook first to stay safe, and whenever you get to watch a warning, just stay safe and take action. So let's get started. So marginal risk of severe weather. We currently have a few marginal risk which is happening across northeastern US and a little bit for Florida and a little bit near the Great Lakes. Currently, marginal risk means for isolated severe storms are possible. It's a extremely low severe weather threat, extremely low tornado threat, brief tornado, meaning a small tornado, just one tornado report. It's a low chance for severe weather to come. And hail is possible, up to quarter-sized hail and 40 to 60 mile per hour winds are possible. So that's what marginal risk of severe weather means. It's an extremely low threat. Severe weather appears unlikely, but it's still possible. As we get into elevated risk, it's also called a slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5, which we see scattered severe storms are possible. And scattered severe storms, meaning like isolated severe storms, are likely to occur. A significant damage with the 2 tornado reports are possible to occur with those isolated brief tornadoes, and damaging winds are possible, but in a significant way, but a low threat only, and large hail is also possible in that. So level 2 out of 5 is common, and level 1 out of 5 are the most common severe weather outlooks we have a lot every day. They're extremely common. So as we get into enhanced risk of severe weather, these are relatively common, but they are a little bit rare. These indicate numerous severe storms are possible. So these indicate for like very large hail, widespread severe storms are possible to occur, and several tornado reports are possible, or it can also indicate for a widespread derecho storm, which is possible to occur. So that's what it means. And as we get into a moderate risk, widespread severe thunderstorms are likely. This is relatively rare. It's only issued a few times per year. This indicates for even very disruptive hail, large to giant hail is possible, or a deadly derecho is likely to occur with the potential dangerous derecho threat, and strong tornadoes are possible. It could indicate for like EF2 to EF5 to strong to violent tornadoes are possible, or it can also indicate to numerous to long track tornadoes are also possible to occur in that area. So that's what it means. These are relatively rare, but only issued a few times per year. They get a more active as we get into the summer. They indicate for like derechos likely in the summer months, like June or July or late May. And high risk. High risk is the most rarest. It's incredibly rare. It's a level 5 out of 5. And we don't often see this. This is incredibly rare. These indicate for a tornado outbreak or a derecho expected. Widespread wind damage is expected, or violent tornadoes, meaning EF5 tornadoes are possible to occur because it's the highest risk category and the highest threat for the tornadoes. These high risk are usually for major tornado outbreaks, and these also indicate for numerous to long track tornadoes are expected, or disruptive deadly derecho is expected. Those are the ones they typically indicate, but usually for like more potential for tornadoes because it's usually for major tornado outbreaks. So be careful whenever you see a level 5 out of 5 in general, whenever you get those outlooks, but just learning your level 5 out of 5 is incredibly rare. We don't often see that. Even moderate, it's relatively rare, but it happens like 5 to 6 times per year. So that's all I need to say. These are all the risk categories for today. So stay safe whenever you get a level 5 out of 5. Bye.